Normally you're going to have a cover over this screw. Take a flat blade screwdriver and just get behind here and pop that cover off. And you're going to do the same on the other one up high. And take an 8mm socket, take the screw out of here, and same out of the one on the top. Now just try to grab the light assembly and pull it off. And sometimes it sticks in there. So just take a trim tool, trying not to scratch the paint. Just pry out. There is clips that hold this in. There's a clip there. There should be a clip there. There's one missing, and there's a clip there. Just like that. And then take all the bulb sockets out. Twist to the left, counterclockwise. And slide it out. And same with the other ones. Pull the wiring harness out of these clips. And the last one. And gently put that down. Slide the light assembly out of the way. If you're replacing any of the bulbs for the reverse light bulb, you're going to use a W21W and just grab the bulb, slide it out of the socket, put the new one in the same way. For the turn signal bulb, you're going to use a WY21W, which is pretty much the same, just an amber bulb. Just slide it out just like that. Slide it back in position. For the lower brake light bulb, you're going to use a W21/5W or a 7443 and just grab the bulb, slide it out just like that. Slide the new one in, same way. And for the top bulb or the marker bulb, it's a 194 bulb. Just grab the bulb, slide it out, slide the new one in the same way. Take the new light assembly and reinstall the harness just like the old one. Put the sockets in and twist to the right or clockwise. There's a little pin on that one. Just line that pin up. And slide the wiring harness through those retainers. I'm just going to use some needle nose pliers. Just try to turn this a little bit. Just to try to slide the harness in. Make it a little easier. Just be careful. Try not to break it. There we go. Now slide the lens assembly in position. Get it lined up. When the pins are lined up, just gently push on the light. Make sure it locks in place. And take the screws. Get those both started. And snug them down.